for Rath Yatra, the Pavitra Rath Yatra, which is on 27th of this month, mostly.
Most importantly, we have reached Rairangpur. Now it's
Yes.
almost 6 o'clock. We started at around 5:30 from house. It took roughly half an hour to reach here.
Yes, and this is the town. This is how it looks. The best thing is everything is segregated in a very beautiful way.
You can
So
show this
all
side.
the medicine stores are in one place. Then Miss George, this is also a medicine store. All the medicine stores are in one place. And towards this side we have a bus stand and the straight road. And then once we drive straight from here, we'll get all the shopping complexes and malls. And mostly these are the quarters here. I don't know what quarters.
Government quarters, I think, for hospitals and other people.
Yeah, my husband is a bit aware, but I'm definitely not much aware of
Not
those.
that much aware, but yeah, I think for some work I have been there.
Okay. And to
Oh, okay, I remember.
Uh-huh.
To renew our father's driving license, you need to get an approval from someone, a certified doctor.
Okay.
So for that, we have visited one of these quarters.
Okay.
Acha, one more thing before we proceed.
Hmm.
Do you want to have something so that we can pack, and on the way we can have something?
Yes, definitely. I will
Okay.
have some oily bhajiyas like samosas or aloo chop.
Okay, okay. So yeah, that's the place where Rath Yatra will be celebrated.
Yes. This place is called Durga Mandap.
Yeah. Now we are heading a bit on the right side to have something evening snacks, and then we'll proceed.
And the best part is we get everything in ₹5.
Yes.
I mean each each piece, whatever we eat, let it be a balusha or a samosa or aloo chop, everything is ₹5. The best part is they cook it in a good oil. It doesn't hamper my little tummy.
Not sure whether it's open. Shop.
Oh, my bad
Shop
luck.
is
The shop is closed.
Okay.
And-
Then probably we'll leave.
This is the shop where I used to have food.
We always have.
My bad luck. And this is the post office. Papa and Mama keep money here. Some money. And after reaching this place, I got to learn that in post office we also have a ATM. I don't know why it is closed as of now, but we do.
Second wife food junction. What the hell?
Here food is prepared only by wives.
Acha, do you want to have momo or something?
No, I don't want momos. Rather, while proceeding this way, if I get something, I'll purchase from there.
Snacks?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I don't think so we have anything in this area.
Let's see.
Someone is getting married.
Screw.
Red venue.
Bichara. Bichara is going. Bichara and Bichari.
बेचारी
Well.
पता नहीं बेलगाम लेना जाए एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट से.
What was that?
I'll explain some other day.
एयर इंडिया
Okay.
में जाते
That's how the
जाते
town looks like.
no that
Here.
Wonder Twin is also available there. Big one. It is very rush here, so if I wish I could show it. There is a Rath. Ongoing preparation Ratha.
Yes. That's the place we have sweets.
I can show you. Yeah. This super drink is the one. And the best part here, from here, all the chota mota mall starts. Like Cosmo Bazaar, OP Mart, post that blah blah, then some Palana Dhimkana, and then we get a Smart Point. But this thing starts. The chota mota mall from here.
That's our Ratha.
Yay! We are approaching close to our Rairangpur Ratha. This is the most celebrated festival in
this
Odisha.
area. In this area, in fact, in this area, thousands of people gather over here just to celebrate.
In this area, Rairangpur particularly, the nearby villages also participate here. Thus, there is a huge population.
Gathering.
There is a huge population collected together in one place.
Level over here.
Oh ma! I haven't seen this much water.
Think about it. We were thinking about a plot nearby this area. No, Baba.
That is altogether a different story, which I'll share some other day. Can we stop in Reliance for some
For what?
snacks?
Snacks. Reliance.
हाँ, केक बिस्किट तो खा ही सकते हैं ना?
Why do you want to have cake biscuit? We can have some snacks over here.
यहाँ चाट मिल रहा है.
Hey, other side we have a snacks hotel.
अच्छा.
I think no, not this one. ये दिल्ली गाड़ी.
हाँ,
Probably
यहाँ
pre-owned
पे सारे दिल्ली के जो भी दिखते हैं वो प्री ओन्ड होते हैं. वहाँ पे आराम से गाड़ियाँ मिल जाती है ना. आराम से नहीं होने से भी थोड़ा धक्का मुक्की से मिल ही जाता है ढंग का चलाने वाला गाड़ी. कुछ खाने नहीं मिला हमको.
मिलेगा कहीं ना कहीं मिलेगा. रुको ना यार, बारिश स्टार्ट हो गया. It's raining. I did not expect that.
It is pouring.
It started pouring.
My goodness. No. It won't. Don't worry.
Hopefully, I'm just hoping for the best. These are all the tile, marble shops in this area. Hey, that's a Karen's, no?
Yes, there is a Karen's. I also own a Karen's. That's why my papa would have called it a Baintu. We also have a stray cow in my sister-in-law's place, where my mother-in-law usually feeds the cow, and we every day nahi, every moment whenever she finds something na, she goes directly to the cow and it awaits at the doorstep only behind, and papa have named it Baintu.
It's very small.
And it's a tiny one, a huge tiny one. It is equivalent the size of a half-grown baby elephant. But Papa calls him very affectionately as Baintu. Someday I would record his expressions while he called that cow as Baintu, and he responds to it. This is a little rush area. In this area we call something Hatto.
No, this is a college nearby this area. Some college, I don't remember the name. Because of which students are roaming here and there in this area.
So there is no food? Even the students are around?
No, we do have, but those are mostly pani puri, kupchup, or maybe
Chai biscuit.
fast food.
Hi. मेरे
Not
आलू
the type of
चॉप
snacks
समोसा
you are looking
कहाँ
for.
चले गए?
Not here as well. Okay. We'll check in Jassipur then.
Okay,
Okay.
let us.
By the way, we just passed Rairampur. Maybe
So
we can catch up.
from at this point of time, we are in the outskirts of Rairampur, heading towards Jassipur. Once we are near to that, we'll definitely get something good information for you guys, such that at least from my eyes or from the my recordings, you can visualize a different place which you haven't heard of, or maximum, I don't know how many people have heard of Jassipur, since I have been to that place multiple times, yet I don't remember the name. So these are the trucks. They are not allowed to enter the town
City or the town till 9:30.
till 9:30. 8:30 na?
9:30.
9:30, okay.
Do you remember? Couple of days back we came, no?
Mm-hmm.
Till 9:30. We were about to reach at around 9:30
Mm-hmm.
to Rairampur, and everyone was waiting for their turn to start towards Jamshedpur.
Everyone was raving.
Okay, that's pretty much it. I think.
So we have exited this place, Rairampur. Beautiful place, Rairampur. See ya.